Super dirty outdoor coil, super dirty indoor coil. This came out of the drain. Head pressure was running about 400. Suction was about 100. So suction needs to be higher, head pressure needs to be a little lower. I'm gonna clean it up. Looking a lot better now. A lot better. All right. Now, plug disconnect back in, check the pressures. We had a low suction, high discharge. Shouldn't have that now. Oopsies. Oh, already kicked back on. Beautiful. Yeah, I mean, I want my suction to be around 120 today, and then my discharge to be around 350, not 400, so we'll see what happens. Let me put that panel back on for that coil. So after a good cleaning, suction went from like about 100 to 125, and the head pressure went from 400 down to 315. So it could just be the unit is dirty, and that's all you need just to clean it. This is a 410A unit, by the way. I just wanted to tell you that so that you know what kind of pressures 410A runs.